Let's dive right into a step-by-step plan to earn your first $100 a day online, even if you have no prior experience. The key is to leverage the right tools and platforms. First, let's talk about Gumroad. This platform is perfect for selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or even artwork. If you have knowledge or skills to share, create a simple digital product. For instance, if you're good at graphic design, you could create templates or guides. Set a price point that's attractive, maybe $10 to $20. If you sell just 5 products a day, you're already at $100. Next up is ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you brainstorm ideas, write content, or even generate marketing copy. Use it to create engaging descriptions for your Gumroad products, or to draft social media posts that promote your offerings. The more appealing your content, the more likely you are to attract buyers. Now, let's move on to Canva. This is a fantastic tool for creating eye-catching visuals. Whether you need graphics for your social media or a polished cover for your ebook, Canva has you covered. You can use its free version to design professional-looking materials that will help your products stand out. Once you've got your product ready, it's time to promote it. This is where Fiverr comes in. You can hire freelancers to help with marketing, social media management, or even SEO optimization for your Gumroad page. Look for gigs that fit your budget. Many services start as low as $5. Investing a little can go a long way in reaching a wider audience. Now, let's talk about payment. PayPal is a reliable platform for receiving payments. Setting up a PayPal account is straightforward, and it's widely used, which makes it easy for customers to purchase your products. Make sure to link your Gumroad account to PayPal so you can receive payments seamlessly. To keep the momentum going, focus on building a community around your products. Use social media platforms to share valuable content related to your niche. Engage with your audience, answer questions, and provide tips. This not only builds trust, but also encourages people to check out your offerings. Remember, consistency is key. Set aside time each day to work on your products, promote them, and engage with your audience. Track your progress using simple spreadsheets or tools like Google Analytics to see what's working and what isn't. Adjust your strategy based on the data you gather. By following this plan, you can realistically earn your first $100 a day online. It's all about taking those initial steps, using the right tools, and being persistent. Start today and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.